yan. Ladies and gentlemen, my number one, Sarah Geronimo Gritchen. Watching as you slowly sleep, what I'd give if I could keep just this moment, if only time stood still. But the colors fade away and the years will make it clear. Baby, in my eyes, she's so beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You set my heart from being broken apart. So present movie.
Abijis ka na ba?
Being broken apart. You gave your name.
Ano kayo gigilig, ha?
And I'm thankful all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love, and I'm thankful every day. And I'm thankful every day for that day.
My husband with a jelly!
Maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen. Shan!
Wala, nakalimutan mo na yun.
Woo!
Okay ka lang, mahal?
Okay lang, na-enjoy ako masyado para
Oh, ang sarap ko kasing kasama eh.
Ha?
Oo. Batiin muna natin sila, mahal. Maupay nga gabi! Northern Summer! Naku, mainit na pagtanggap at suporta po sa amin. Maraming salamat po for inviting us tonight at maging bahagi po ng inyong anniversary. Nakaka-inlove po ang Samar. Nag-stay po kami sa Miko Miko at sabi ko, sayang, sana, bakasyon lang tayo.
Oo nga, next time dali natin, babalik tayo dito.
Babalik po kami, definitely. Sasama po namin ang mga fur babies po namin para ma-enjoy po namin ang beach dun sa Miko Miko.
Babalik tayo dito.
Lilibre tayo ni Sir.
Sino si Sir? Si Vice?
Kapatid ni Attorney Ian.
Oo. Yeah, pero maraming din salamat sa pamilya Dato family for taking great care of us.
Thank you
very much. Mga taga San Jose, may mga taga San Jose dito? Oh, dami oh. Mga taga San Jose, daghan salamat. Maraming salamat Vice Gov Dato, daghan salamat. At sa buong Dato family, thank you very much. And of course, the Daza family, maraming salamat also. And of course, Governor, maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Okay, baby.
Ay.
Ano mangyayari ngayon?
Sir, wag niyo po kami kakalimutan sa Pasko. Sa Pasko. Invite niyo po kami ulit, ha? Sana makapag-concert naman tayo dito, love, no?
Yes, sana. We can do like a nice concert. Ang ganda ng venue nyo. Your venue is beautiful. Talagang, sana one day maka-concert tayo dito. Di ba? At again, happy 59th founding anniversary, Northern Samar. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At yun na, aalis na ako. Sobrang pawis. I know you want Sarah. Ladies and gentlemen, Sarah!